Hey, good morning traders. Welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, we are gonna talk about how using my turbo strategy for binary options. We are gonna trade with the broker pocket option and trading using the same strategy that I used yesterday with the Bollinger Bands, the stochastic oscillator, and the RSI indicator. Let's go step by step. I'm gonna change the time frame of the candlesticks, Japanese candlesticks, for 30 seconds, and I will show you to the settings for the indicators. This is the Bollinger Bands, period 5 and 1. The settings for the stochastic 5, 3, and 3. The settings for the RSI is gonna be 14. And we are gonna trade the moment we have oversolds or overbuys. This means this trades area. This is oversold, oversold, oversold. When we have this area with the Bollinger Bands, this means oversold. This moving average crossing each other, and the period 20 is oversold, and the RSI period 30 is oversold. That means we can trade for a buy directions. We trade for 2 minutes, like this one here, and only when we have that 3 confirmations we are gonna trade. That's it. The time frame can be 1 minute or 2 minutes. That is gonna be mostly your decision. The strategy works with both time frames, so you can trade with 1 minute or 30 or 2 minutes. Now we have the first one in the money, but let's go to check out a few examples with this strategy. Let's go to select all this area here and watch the graphic. Looks like we have a downtrend, but if you took these trades, you have good trades with profits, with simple methods to earning money, and with a short periods you can earn money. Let's go to look this example. We saw the moving average crossed here a few seconds here, and maybe was this candlestick. But if you trade in 2 minutes, you have 30 seconds here, and you can have profits on this candlestick the moment they close that candlestick. So 2 minutes for me is a good time to trade. Even in 1 minute you can earn money, but the strategy is not 100% effective. Look at this, another example here. We have the 3 confirmations. Something you need to watch or consider is the RSI indicator need to be above or below of the period 50. If you trade for the down direction, need to cross it going down the period 50. If you trade for the up direction, need to cross it going up. For me, that is a good confirmation for this trade. So we have the first one in the money. Let's go to watch. Maybe we can trade another with the same currency pairs for the down direction. The first trade was my mistake. You see, I put this sound, a good reaction sound. Let's go to wait to see how ending this one. So we have recovered a few losses, the previous losses, and I think this is a good one to trade for the down direction. Okay, with this one, let's go to analyze what we did with this trade. We have obviously downtrend here, and the best option is going to be trade for the down direction. So we trade here, take advantage of this short impulse. Well, the right direction is going to be always the down trade. So we have took this trade and was, I think, going to be it profits in a short periods. With this strategy for binary, best option is going to be always trade in favor of the trend. I think this is everything for me today. We have 4 losses, but we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 good trades, and I have my doubts with this one. Now it's too late. But the strategy is really good. Put in practice, let me know what you think, and leave your comments below in this video and share your results with this strategy. Practice with your demo account before to pass your real account, and good luck. See you in the next wave.